Hi guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, and for today's video, gusto ko naman ituro sa inyo kung paano ba i-transfer yung ownership ng inyong GCash account. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga upcoming videos. So let's start! First, kung hindi mo pa napanood yung aking mga videos about GCash, ay nakalagay lang ito guys sa aking channel at naka-playlist to guys. Pwede mo panoorin ito ng sunod-sunod. So, ganito siya guys. Kung gusto nyo i-transfer yung ownership, example, yung GCash account ko, gusto ko nang i-transfer yung ownership sa anak ko, pwede yon. So, paano ba natin gagawin yon? So, ang step 1 ay kailangan mo mag-file ng ticket sa GCash Help. And within 7 business days ay mayroon sa yung ko-contact na representative via email. So, ganito siya guys. Pagdating sa concern category, ay ilalagay mo yung my GCash account, I want to request transfer of ownership. Then, after nun guys, ay kailangan nyong mag-confirm ng identity, submitting a copy of any document. So, kailangan nyo mag-picture ng ID, and then letter of request from previous owner. So, let's say, gusto mo nang i-transfer. So, kailangan meron kang letter na ginawa or merong letter from the previous owner na pinapasa na sa iyo yung ownership ng kanyang GCash account. So, after nun guys, kung meron ka pang idadagdag na attachment, pwede rin yan mag-add ka pa kung meron ka pang documents na ipapasa. After nun guys, dito sa submit the ticket, kailangan make sure yung email address na ilalagay nyo ay yun din talaga yung email address nung nag-register kayo sa inyong GCash account. Pangalawa, kailangan yung full name, kung anong full name na ginagamit nyo sa inyong GCash account, yun din ang ilalagay nyo dito. And then sa registered number, so yung ginagamit din natin. And then yung concern category, yun nga yung katulad ng sinabi ko, kailangan mo piliin yung I want to request transfer of ownership. Then, kailangan mo i-explain yung situation, bakit kailangan mo i-transfer. I want to transfer ownership of my GCash account because, yan. So, dagdagan nyo na guys kung ano yung explanation, bakit nyo ita-transfer. Then, yung sa attachment, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kailangan ng letter of request from previous owner with signature and valid ID, okay? So, kailangan pagkagawa nyo ng letter, may pirma niya at saka meron kasamang ID nito. Then, kung meron ka pang requirements katulad kung namatay na siya, yung ownership due to death, kailangan yun. Kailangan meron kang mailagay dito na papel or may picturean. Yan. So, pwede rin ang ilagay mo is copy of government ID. Pwede rin yung proof of relationship with the deceased. Kung ito yung asawa mo, marriage certificate. Kung ito ang anak mo, birth certificate. Kung ito yung kapatid mo, waiver of rights. So, kung hindi mo naman kaano-ano, SPA, yun yung kailangan. So, medyo matrabaho lang siya guys. Pero kung importante na matransfer sa iyo yung account, ay kailangan mo talaga siyang gawin guys. Lalo na kung ginagamit ito pang business or meron ditong gumagamit as savings. Yan. So, kailangan mo talaga siyang gawin guys. Yun yung step 2. Step 3, kailangan mo na siyang isubmit. Then, after that, maghihintay ka na ng 7 business days and meron na kukontak sa'yo via email. Okay? So, after mo magawa yun, guys, ay tuluyan namang matatransfer sa iyo yung ownership na GCash account. So, I hope na nakatulong itong video ko for today. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!